you doing this afternoon?
Fine, thank you. Can I see your menu, please?
Certainly, here you are, sir.
Thank you. What's today's special?
Grilled Italian chicken and fried green beans.
That sounds good. I'll have that.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'd like Chopin vodka.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
A few moments later.
Here you are. Enjoy your meal, sir.
Thank you.
A few moments later.
Can I get you anything else, sir?
No thanks. I'd like the bill, please.
That'll be $14.95.
Here you are. Keep the change.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Goodbye.